everyone, I am Hina Talati. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. Landslide blocks roads after strong wind and rain hit North Wales in UK. A landslide has blocked a road in Snowdonia after strong wind and rain hit North Wales in UK. The A498 in was shut in both directions between the Mannygyard Hotel and Prince Llewellyn Hotel in Badegaralet. Dramatic images taken by the local residents show large rocks, mud and floodwater obstructing the road. North Wales police said officers were sent to the road and urged people to avoid the area. The large landslide comes after the gale force winds and heavy rain were forecast for the North Wales. The stormy conditions are as a result of Hurricane Ian, which has caused havoc across the Atlantic in Cuba and Florida in recent days. Weather experts predicted gusts of up to 60 miles per hour as well as strong winds in North Wales today. Met officers earlier predicted strong winds and heavy rain across the regions in the North Wales as the UK braced for the effects of the storm Ian. Heavy rain and 60 miles per hour winds were set to batter parts of the UK amid the fallout from the huge storm in the US. Despite being thousands of the miles away, the hurricane had a knock-on effect on UK's weather. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.